Welcome back to our channel, and good morning and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Spectrum account using a desktop. Now, if you don't have a desktop, you don't have to worry about it. Logging into your Spectrum app is pretty simple. You just download Spectrum app, click on the app. After opening the app, it's going to give you two options, whether to enter your login detail or register for Spectrum account. You just need to enter your login detail. It's done. But for your desktop, it's a bit different, so you gotta follow some steps more in order to do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, Want to Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you wanna search for Spectrum login. But before Spectrum logins, so basically Spectrum is an app which allows you to watch live TV and on-demand content at no additional charge from your mobile device. So you can use Spectrum on your mobile device as well as browser, all right? So it's basically a small definition of it. Now to log in into your Spectrum account, just search for Spectrum login. After you search for Spectrum login, click on the first link where it says Spectrum account, sign in and pay bills. You can also pay your internet bills and basically your TV bills from Spectrum as well. All right. There's a lot of feature and advantage with Spectrum. You can know about it more after signing up into it. All right. So once you're over here, click on sign in. If you don't have an account, click on create a username and it's going to help you create a Spectrum account. But we already have an account because we want to log in into it. Once you're over here, you need to enter the email of your Spectrum account, and then you need to enter the password of your Spectrum account. After you do that, scroll a bit down, click on I am not a robot to prove that you're a human. Once you get this tick mark, you need to click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Spectrum account if the username and password you entered over here is correct. So that's how we guys can log in into your Spectrum account. If you forgot your password, you can always click on forgot username or password to recover your Spectrum account as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.